Hello, good morning. How are you guys? My name is Elissa and I'm here to show you a quick and easy kind of mama makeup because it's a snow day here where I'm at. There's a lot of snow out there and I got all 3 kids home, so I don't have a lot of time. So I wanted to pop on here, and while I'm here I wanted to also show you guys a new quick makeup tip in regards to your brows. I'm feeling pretty sexy in my unique head towel. Anyhow, okay, so let's first start with our brows because this is what I wanted to kind of show you guys. And this is my first time trying this, so bear with me, okay, my friends? So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to put a wax, and I barely have like any wax left here. I'm going to have to open up a new one soon. First, I'm going to just apply a wax kind of all over my brows first. Okay, so here we go. We're just going to apply that wax all over the brow first. Just so that when we do apply the color into my brow, it's going to really stay in place. Okay, so we're just, and I'm using the brow palette in the color Brunette today. Okay, so now once we've got that done, we are going to go in, and what I like to do, I actually like to mix the light and the dark, so just depending on your color, you want to just blend, you know, as needed. So we're going to start here, and I'm using the flat end of the brush here, and we're just gonna work our way up and over into, right into the middle there, okay? Into that arch. And then we're gonna bring it down. Okay, just like so. Now we're gonna do the top. Okay, and then I'm going to go in from here and just kind of blend that all in. And then what I like to do, sorry I made a little boober there, is go in with, and that was my chair, okay, that was my chair, not me. I'm going to go in with a brow brush, and just kind of blend that in, just like so. Now, this is something that I'm new that I want to try, and I hope it works. Fingers crossed. I saw someone else do it, and I'm like, oh, ooh, I like that. We are going to go and we're going to add a little bit of setting powder over the brow, just to keep the brows in place, even, you know, stay all day long. But not just that, what it's also going to do, it's just going to tone that color down just a little bit, so it's not like crazy dark. Okay, so we're just going to brush that in. I should have maybe made sure that that brush was clean. It's got a little sparkle in here. I'm going to take my trusting brush cleaner, which I absolutely love, because you just spray it on your brush, just spray it like that, and then just wipe it off. And the best thing is, it disinfects your brush, but you can also use it right away. So we're gonna go back in, and we're gonna just tap that setting powder right over top of the brows. Oh, you know what? I like this. It does kind of tone that color down a little bit. It might be hard to see on screen here, but it really is lightening that brow up. It's not as dark. There we go. Check that out. Nice. All right, let's go do the other one. So again, I am mixing the light and the dark color because that's just to match my brow color. Again, it may be different for you. You just have to go with whatever color your brows are. If you need more light or more dark, whatever you need to do, you do you, boo. Right? Do the top. cool. My daughter made, what are they called?
Dippin' Dots.
Dippin' Dots this morning. We have a snow day here. And I'm just kind of blending that in. And then we're going to do the edge. And then we're just blending in with that brush. And then, like I said, I like to go back in and blend that all out. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we're going to go in with that setting powder, with our Touch Behold setting powder. I'm just going to take a brush, and we're just going to brush that right over top just to set those brows in place and to lighten them up a little bit too at the same time. And this way, these brows are staying all day long. Oh my gosh, you guys, I really like adding that setting powder over top of the brow. That's awesome. I know it might be hard to see on video here, but up close here, I can really see a difference. And there we go. Easy brows. All right, just gotta plop that lid back on. Okay, so now we're gonna add some mascara. And I just have put my mascara in between my boobs to warm it up. Because I've heard this is supposed to be, you know, kind of warms up your mascara a little bit. And it just helps. So, yeah, I'm gonna give it a try. Oh my gosh. You know what? That totally works, guys. There you go. If you don't want to do that, just put it in between your legs while you're doing your makeup. If you don't want to put it between your boobs. Oh, you know what? It does help being warmed up. There you go, my friends. Another tip for you today on Tip Tuesday. Wow, that really does work, you guys. Seriously. What? Insane. Oh, I'm not doing an eye look today only because I'm having a makeup class tonight, so I don't want any eyeshadow, sorry, on my eyes, because I'm going to be showing some girls some beautiful ladies, I should say, not girls, how to apply the palette that they got. So I'm super excited. So I like to just kind of get in there and I like to do just a couple coats because that's just what I do. And this combined with the lash serum, hello, gorgeous long lashes. Check that out, you guys. Seriously. Insane. So if you're popping on here, shout out where you're from. And do you guys have a snow day where you're at? Because we do. Hey, I'm actually going to be kicking my kids out for the afternoon. We can go play in the snow. Maybe make some snow forts outside. There's a lot of snow out there today. It's crazy. And I'm just going to go back in and just kind of, because I'm anal with my lashes. Comb is. Oh yeah, here it is. Sorry. There we go. How is it, Laura? Huh? Okay, sorry. I get a little anal with my lashes, as I said. Okay. What? No, I don't say stuff like that. Okay, now I'm going to do underneath. Now today, I'm not wearing any foundation because I have been using our new skincare, and I've used a tinted moisturizer, and I am so in love with this new skincare, you guys. I'm seriously blown away. So no foundation today. So what I am doing is I am just putting some concealer on my hand. I'm just kind of rubbing it in like that. Okay. A little goes a long way with this stuff. And then I get my beauty blender, which I have, I ran it under water and like squeezed all the excess water out. And then we're just gonna go in, we're gonna dab that in there. And then we're gonna get right underneath that eye. Wow, a little goes a long way. Like I said, I put too much on. Too much! Oh my Lord. Guys, I put way too much on there. Let's just go, we'll erase some of that with the other side here. Okay, that was not supposed to happen. And see guys, I am not a professional makeup artist, as you can tell. Okay, we're gonna do this side now. And we're not gonna use as much product this time. There we go. Oh, I think I actually took too much off now. So you want to do that triangle, okay? Under your eye. Okay, there we go. There. And you know what? I didn't even use, I used way too much there, so we'll just wipe that away. We'll just wipe that away. Okay. Now, we are going to do some bronzer next. Okay? This is taking longer, guys, than I was expecting. Sorry. We're going to put some underneath our cheekbones, just like this. Okay? I'll work a little faster here, my friends. Along the hairline. Okay, and then don't forget underneath here. Just to create some dimension. Make those cheeks pop. Then I like to go back in with a fluffy brush. Just blend that all in a little better. Okay. And then I love to have a bit of a J.Lo glow, so I'm obsessed with using our luminizer in the color Lustrous. It's our Touch Alamo Powder Luminizer. Absolutely love it. Did a smile. Bring that to the apples of the cheeks. Just like so. We're going to go down the nose. Put a little bit right here. To give the appearance of fuller lips. Because who doesn't want fuller lips? And then we're going to blend that all out. And then another little trick I'm going to teach you. Take your bronzer, go into the kind of darker part of that, and add a little bit underneath here. And that is, again, going to make your lower lip look fuller. See how that works? Kind of, it makes it appear a little bit fuller. And then we are going to go in. Where's my other lip color? It's probably right in front of my face. There. Nope, that's not it. Ah! Seriously, I just had my new lip color successful out. What did I do with it? You guys, I am so bad for losing stuff that is like literally in front of my face. And there it is, right in front of my face. Jeepers. Okay, so this is one of our brand new nude lip colors. It goes on a little dark on me just because of my skin tone. Everything goes pink on me. So what I like to do is, this is our liquid lipstick. It's a matte finish. I basically like to wipe almost the entire thing off. And they're going to go in and just fill that lip in. There we go. Like, you will literally have this lipstick forever. I recommend throwing it out after about a year, okay? We don't like to keep makeup more than a year. Actually, it has an expiry date on that. I can't read it. I need my glasses. I think it says 12 months. So it has an expire on the bottom of it. But you will have it for a year, I can tell you right now. Because as I said, you saw I basically wiped that entire thing off. And look at how much I still, like, it covered my full lip. Okay? And what you can do, let's do something. I haven't tried this. I'm going to take that Touch of the Moon, that luminizer, and we're going to just add. Oh my gosh. Did you see that? Oh, I like that. So pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys. I don't know why I've not thought about this before, but that is so fun. I added just a little bit of that Touch a la Mode luminizer right in the center of my lip and just kind of blended it out to give a little bit of an ombre. But also it just, again, is going to make my lips appear fuller. So how cool is that? Love this, you guys. Okay. That is it, my friends. I am done. I am done like dinner. I don't know why I just said that. Okay, no, actually, let's just go ahead and spray the setting powder all over so that this look stays all day long, my friends. And there we go. We are done. Quick and easy look. I could have gone quicker if I wasn't yapping my lips so much. But anyways, my friends, that is it. Easy peasy, no foundation today because of my amazing new Uology, or I should say Elissa-ology, because this is what it's called, because I've got papers that said it. This is my own customizable skincare that I got to choose for my specific skincare issues. It's incredible, and it's tinted, and it smells amazing. Look at that. Love it. I highly, highly, highly recommend this skincare, you guys. Even my husband, he was like, I can tell the difference on your skin already. Like, when my husband notices stuff like this, you know it's good. Because men don't ever notice things like this, okay? And he's like, wait a second, I want to order some for me now. So I have to order some for him now. Anyhow, thanks for watching, guys. Remember, thoughts become things, so make your thoughts incredible ones. And I gotta go and dry my hair now. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye. Mwah.